Hi, today we are going to take a look at Signature Solar's special discounts again. We all remember the off-grid lower power price of the 12,000 XP when they came out with this a few weeks ago, and they had marked down their American-made 12,000 XP, not 6,000 XP, when they'd marked it down from $2,590 down to $1,900. And of course, it had a huge response and great amount of sales associated with it and sold out very quickly. Now, there's a scan code down at the bottom if you want to save 50 bucks on this, an additional $50. There's a coupon code down there for me, for Signature Solar. You can get all deals going on in this video because they've done it again. We have another one where they have just amazingly made us look twice at everything that they're doing. So let's get on with the next deal that they've made. So here we are at the special dropping of prices. Believe it or not, they have marked down the FlexBOSS 18 and the FlexBOSS 21. This came out just like yesterday or the day before in an email, and at first I didn't think a whole lot about it. I thought, oh wow, they did it again. But these are both American made, also right there in Texas. And now all the components, probably not, but at least they're assembled here in the US and they're moving in the right directions, which is why the tariffs aren't done. Now this, as you can see here, the FlexBOSS 21's prices dropped from $4,200 down to $3,629. Of course, with the coupon code, if you scan that list down there, it'll show you all my systems, all the components, and all the different deals going on. And then the FlexBOSS 18 went from $3,500 down to $3,200, another almost $300 drop. This is incredible in this market where everyone's prices are going up. Signature Solar, paired with EG4, again, has done it for us again. So it's amazing. Both of these units are incredible units. So let's get in a little bit and talk about some of the specs that go on with them. So here we are with the FlexBOSS 18. It's a hybrid inverter. This means that it can both take power from the grid and it can give power to the grid. This is different from the 12,000 XP where it's fully off-grid. Now, don't get me wrong. It can be operated fully off-grid if that's the way you want to do it. So let's go over some of the specs, some of the things that I thought were super important. First of all, it's a 120/240 split phase system. Of course, this is true with most of the big hybrid or most of the big off-grid EG4 devices. Nothing surprising there. But it is a hybrid pure sine wave inverter, and that is the important piece. It isn't strictly off-grid. It does allow you to work on-grid and off-grid. Skipping down a little bit, supports up to 18 kilowatts of solar PV input across 2 MPPTs. So each one of these has 2 inputs where you can input 2 different strings from each side, and you have 2 MPPTs. So it basically becomes your combiner box along with your MPPT charge controller. Just a fantastic design, up to 26 amps of power on each one, and if I remember correctly, the specs call for up to 600 volts in a string. So you can easily get all of the power out of these that's available there. It isn't like some of these little power stations that make it impossible to actually get the power out. These you can actually build strings strong enough and big enough to get that power out of them. The next thing that you want to note here is that it has deliver 10 kilowatts of continuous power from just the battery. But during the day when your usage is highest, you can get up to 13 kilowatts with the assistance of power or with the PV assistance when grid is connected. So that means if you've got PV available also, then you can use it in combination with the grid as a backup. And I'm suspecting that this is because if it drops down in the middle of your using it, you don't want the power to go away and it wouldn't be able to pull that much from the battery. Either way, up to 13 kilowatts during the day when you have PV connected. It has a 19 amp bypass, or 90 amp bypass. Now, the price on this one, and I wanted to put on the side specifically, these come with a 10-year warranty. And for someone who has experienced the Signature Solar EG4 warranty process, it is fantastic. All of their support technicians are located in Texas. We're not talking about a little call center where a Chinese company pretends to have U.S. support. Truly, their offices are in Texas. They have a full staff there. They answer your calls, they go through things, and they actually help you. And it's fantastic. So let's move on to the FlexBOSS 21 and get the specs out on that one. So the specs on this one, it's very similar in unit side of the of the FlexBOSS 18, but a little bit bigger and a little bit beefier. Some notable changes. It is, again, a 48-volt split-phase hybrid system. Nothing changes there. What does change is this one is powerful enough to start a 5-ton air conditioning unit without the soft start. That's very significant for a lot of people. It also can power up to and the PV has 21 kilowatts of PV input, and you can, PV has 21, but there's also 3 MPPTs on this one. I don't see that listed there, but there are definitely 3 in this one. So that, again, allows you not only to have the 21 kilowatts of availability, but it's with 600 volts and 3 MPPTs, you have the actuality of being able to get to the maximum and actually use all of it, not just theoretical. The next thing that I wanted to point out on here is you got 16 kilowatts of continuous output power with PV and battery, and up to 12 kilowatts of continuous output using battery alone. So this means that you have, it does say 3 individual MPPTs down there at the bottom. I did find the note for it. I knew I had seen it somewhere. So this is another 10-year warranty, just a fantastic product. And the price on this one dropped considerably from $4,200 down to $3,630. And with a $50 coupon code, that would get it under $3,600. So make sure that you click on the link below or scan that code on the screen, or even mattmansolar.com/start. And all of the equipment's listed out there. You can go straight to one of those links, find that code so that you get that discount. Again, I want to say thanks to EG4 and Signature Solar for extremely good deals and passing them along to us and getting all the savings back to us as everything. And seems like everything in the world's prices seem to go up, but we do have an exception in the world. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you, and I'll see you in the next video.